Hello people, this is Colin from Cam Decorations. I've always wanted to know how quick it would take me to spray to undercoat, primer undercoat, the door frame. So today's the perfect day to do it. I've got loads of work to do today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray 6 frames and see how long it actually takes me to do. Now, the material that we're going to be using is McPherson's primer undercoat. It's okay, nothing special. Spray machine is all set up, ready to go. Primer undercoat already mixed, set up, ready to go. Done, set up, ready to go. So let's do it. Right, so we've got 6 frames here to do. This is a 4-bedroom house, quite big. It's got 19 door frames in it, so you know, quite big. So here we go. Let's see. Let's see how long this takes. Right, I'm supposed to wear a glove because the gun is damaging my thumb, sticking right into it. So, got to remember to put my glove on. I don't like spraying with gloves. I don't think to get the floor to go. It's like painted wearing gloves. I don't really like it. I like to feel the brush up. Okay. You're not fucking around! See, I know I can spray quicker than this, but it's not just about me spraying it really quick. Me spraying it really quick. Oh, still got 2 blocks. Oh. It's about an even application. Yeah, I had a tip block there. These things can happen when you're trying to spray, so you just have to deal with it. Do part and parcel. Right. This is the way it is. I don't know why it's blocking so much today. It just feels, right now it feels like there's a slight block in it, but I'm going to see if it works its way out. Right. Right, okay, line of hallway don't work. I could actually do with the new tip. Same way. Yeah, I think it's time for a new tip. Not running smooth, but we're still going to test it. It's good to know exactly the problems you can actually have while spraying. Regardless, it is still quicker to spray than brush, as you can see. This video is an awful time. Like, particularly, there's a lot of guys out there for spraying. Oh, what's the point of spraying? Well, why am I going to spend all that money? Getting a spray rig. Well, what's the point? You know? Is it really worth it? Yes, it is. It's the speed you can work at compared to the brush. It is well worth it.
In fact, you would be crazy not to get a spray machine. And as you can see, I've had little problems with this splitting and blocking and stuff like that, which I don't know why, but I usually want some set. I'm good to spray, but there you go. Shit happens. As you can see, yeah, going back to what I was saying, I've taken a pull down. It is well worth it. You'd just be crazy not to buy one. But you know what planners are like. We're hard ones to change. Once you've got a system, that's it. Don't want to change. Get them losing money. Trust me. This is made for money. Right. Okay. Fourth one down. Oh yes! I love it with this orange. Oh! Spray that a bit away at the wall. It's kind of hard when you're spraying inside these cupboards. There's not much depth to it. And because I'm using extension as well, it gives me that much more, less space than what I'd normally have there. But, you see that? I had to swap my angle because I couldn't get it. We've got one more frame to do after this one. It's our fifth frame. Okay, let's do the last one. Another double coverage. Real tight. Swap hands. Got a little bit thick coming off there. Regulator needs adjusting a bit. Tell the truth, I need to replace the needle on this sharp paint shop. It's been going for a while now, so I've noticed that it starts to spin a little bit. Left hand. Right. There we go. See that little split there? That tells me the needle needs changing. Oh. Needle needs changing, needs a new tip. It's all money. You must spend money to make money. Alright. Okay, we are close. We are nearly there to 6 frames being completed. Woo! Look at that, I'm talking and spraying at the same time. Oh, what you say, I'm really working that hard. Right. Okay, that's not too bad. Before the fuck ups and stuff like that. It's around 8 minutes, so not bad. Go Connie, yes.